You searched how to buy shares of Goldenstone Acquisition Ltd. Goldenstone is a natural resources exploration company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GDST, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GDST to find the company listing. Select the result that matches Goldenstone Acquisition Ltd. on NASDAQ to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Check the exchange and the GDST ticker symbol carefully before proceeding. To place an order, choose the amount to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. The new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow the same process.